What's up, boy? Come here. Come here. Bro, you really gonna hide on the other side of the tree? What's popping? Come here. Oh, see, look. There's the homie. He heard me calling him. What's up, boy? Come here. Look, he heard me calling him. Boom. On his way to the shop. Peanuts on deck. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Yeah, there you go. Oh, it's my guy right there. Twitchy getting active. I'm sorry I ain't built your swing yet, dog. Don't worry, this weekend your swing's getting built. We're gonna get you active. Your other homie ran up this tree. Oh, look, what are you doing up there? See, that's the scary one. That's his homeboy he brought along. He ain't really know. Come here. Come here. Here. Look, go get it. You want to come to me? Go get it. Are you camera shy? You just trying to be about the photo? Because your buddy's going to come back and grab that peanut before you can even get off that tree. So, all right, brother. I'll put some more out, but yeah. You got to stop being so scurry. So scurry.